go wear that mask, alright? Me, I'm not required to wear a mask because I'm emoji. I'm an emoji. Emoji. I mean, I'm an avatar. Go get that vaccine too. Don't be so stubborn. Oops. Am I yelling? Oh, I'm so sorry. I did not mean to. Forgive me. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. We bought a new furnace, electrical.
No, that's a fireplace.
We have a fireplace.
Hang our stockings from it at Christmas
in
time.
our bahay kubo, in our
Mini
shanty, in our payag.
You can use that in there too. In the house.
Are you sure? Because that's one is carpet.
There's the heater right there.
Hey, it's a freaking carpet behind it.
Look, it's fine behind it. There's nothing behind it. Would you stop it?
No, the carpet there.
Look, there's no heat behind it.
You sure?
Yeah, it blows out the front. You just can't block that.
I
That's
said
the heater.
we should buy
That's
more
just for
coal.
looks.
Coal.
This is the heater. That's just for looks.
Ah, what's that? LED? LED TV?
Quartz.
Quartz. Ah, that's the one they put. You can put it inside your house.
Yeah.
Isn't that great?
It's gonna be nice at nighttime. It's gonna be a nightlight.
That's good to know. We should buy another one for the house. What?
That's gonna be for how we'll use in the house.
For the living room.
We have a real one in the living room. We have a wood burner, but we could use it somewhere.
Look at that. It looks so real.
It's supplemental heat, you know.
It's high tech nowadays. This is now.
Yeah, this was before the furnace wasn't working, but now it's working. But hey, that's all good.
Yup, you got it.
If you start running low on propane, we'll kick on these.
What do you mean?
Yeah, very nice.
Because it's still cold here in the mountain.
Yeah, what's up with
the
that?
mountain book too.
Still winter.
What are you talking about? Chinese and my...
Man, finally I can chill out. It's been an all-day affair.
He's been stressed the whole day, guys. Stress. He's throwing...
On top of this wood, love. The whole thing's wood.
He's throwing all his stress on me. Why? And my Malaysian coffee. Malaysian, Korean, whatever. Good night.